A war of words in the Middle East has taken a chilling new turn. Yemen's Houthi rebel, already known for their missiles and drone strikes, have now made a big claim. That claim that sounds like it's straight out of a movie. They say that they can finish Israel in just 11 minutes. Can you imagine that? How? By unleashing hypersonic missiles that they claim can fly at incredible speed, dodge air defenses, and smash onto Israel's more sensitive targets before anybody could even react. Now, for context, hypersonic missiles are not ordinary weapons. Unlike traditional missiles, these can actually travel at more than 5 times the speed of sound, making them almost impossible to intercept. Now, if the Houthis really have such technology, this would mean Israel's framed Iron Dome and even its advanced air defense system could be overwhelmed in just minutes. And that's exactly why their claim has shocked the entire world. Now, let's talk about why these Houthis are making this threat. Well, their leadership has vowed to stand with Palestinians against Israel, launching attacks not just inside Israel but also at the sea, targeting Israeli-linked ships in the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. After the assassination of their top Houthi figures in Israeli airstrike, the group is clearly trying to show that it still has the power to hit back, and that too in a way that terrifies its enemies. But here's the catch. While the Houthis boast about hypersonics, experts are really skeptical. Developing, testing, deploying, well, such missiles requires a lot of resources, advanced technology and years of preparation. Could the Houthis, a militia backed by Iran, really have mastered all of this? Or is this more than just about war? Maybe a psychological warfare, spreading fear and making Israel think twice before expanding its offensive. Well, either way, the message has landed. By throwing around 11 minutes, the Houthis are trying to frame themselves as a force capable of rewriting the rules of the war. On the other side, it is Israel. Israel now faces a new kind of propaganda battle, one where words, where threats, where perception matters the most as much as the bombs. So, ladies and gentlemen, here's the bottom line. Even if the claim aren't fully true, it's a powerful weapon in itself, because in war, fear is half the battle.